that is necessary, and understand each things. Every teacher have different value front of students. सभी टीचर जो होते हैं उनकी अलग अलग रिस्पेक्ट होती है स्टूडेंटों के सामने. कोई स्टूडेंट कम रिस्पेक्ट करता है, कोई ज़्यादा करता है. क्यों करते हैं ये चीज़? उनका लेसन यानी कि पढ़ाने के तरीके को लेके, उनका करेक्टर देख के, वो स्टूडेंटों के साथ कितना कनेक्ट है वो देख के. तो जब आप फील्ड पे उतरोगे फर्स्ट टाइम, तो ये चीज़ आपको याद रखनी है कि आप प्रोफेशनली टीच करोगे उनको, तो ही आपको वो रिस्पेक्ट देंगे लॉन्ग टाइम. आप यदि फॉर्मलिटी करोगे, जस्ट कम एंड डू फास्ट, ओम, क्लोज आईज like this, so they not accept you. So just try very comfortably and make them comfortable, and show your capacity, how you can understand yoga. That is basic things. And yoga never say you make hard things critical, no, just make easy things. If you make easy, student can understand. That is responsibility of teacher. So don't we think I make every pose hard, everything hard for student. No, try to make them comfortable according to your character. Be real with student. Just think and teach and just happy. If you make lazy and if you just formality with student, so they can understand and they not accept you. So now never compromise with your profession when you enter in class. So just be attention everyone, and that things, this is first step. 3 to 5 minute Omkara chanting. And you have any question? Perfect. Small things, but meaning is high. Okay.